Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to export PDF with transparent background in InDesign. Let's get started. First, open your InDesign software. Then open your transparent background image. I am already open my place my transparent background image. Then at first go to the file menu and go to the export option. Now choose your location and click the drop down menu and choose Adobe PDF. Then write your file name and click save. Then click export. Okay. Now you can see my InDesign file are converted to PDF. Now you can see export PDF with transparent background in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.